In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin in Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in first. And then go to trade here, click Binance Convert, and then choose what wallet you're going to use. Since all of my funds is in my spot wallet, I will not change this, but if you have your fund in funding wallet, just click this and it will automatically change into funding wallet. And then now choose what token or currency you're going to use to convert into BTC. So I'm going to use USDT, and then click here, type down BTC, and now we can type the amount of USDT you're going to convert, but make sure that it is 1 USDT and above. So for example, I'm going to convert the maximum amount of USDT I have. So I'll just click this and then click preview conversion, click convert, and now I have received this amount of BTC. So if you want to check, you can just go to wallet here, click fiat and spot, and now I have received this amount of BTC in my fiat and spot wallet. But if you want to buy Bitcoin in spot, you can just click this, and then you can trade your USDT here. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can set your price here if you are going to use limit, and then you can now type the amount of USDT you want. So for example, 10 USDT, and then I will receive this amount of BTC on this price. So before you proceed, make sure that you have 10 USDT and above, or else you will not be able to buy BTC in spot. And if you have any questions about how to buy Bitcoin in Binance, leave a comment below.